Welcome to AYS Maths channel. Today we are going to solve question number 4 from paper January 2021 Pearson Edexcel IAL Pure Mathematics P1. The points P and Q as shown in figure 2 have coordinates -2 and 13, 4 and -5 respectively. The straight line L passes through point P and Q. Okay, this is line L, and this diagram is labeled with P and Q coordinates. Touches the curve at P and Q. Find an equation for L, writing your answer in the form of y equals to mx plus c, where m and c are integers to be found. Alright, so I have to write down an equation of a straight line. To write down the equation of straight line L, I need a gradient, I need a y-intercept. So P and Q coordinates are given here. So P is -2 and 13, and Q is 4 and -5. So let's use the 2 points formula to find the gradient. So find the gradient, we know that y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and this would be, because I have the coordinates given is -2 and 13, and another one is 4 and -5. So 13 plus 5 over -2, -4. This is -4. Thirteen plus 5 is 18 over -6, and that is -3. So find the y-intercept. Okay, we can use this formula instead of y equals to mx plus c. Pick any coordinate to substitute into it. I already got the gradient, so let's pick the first coordinate p. So y is 13 there, gradient is -3, and x is -2, so negative is +2. So let's expand bracket. So -3x -6. I have to write down in form of y equals to mx plus c. Okay, so let's bring 3x to this side to make it positive. Or better, because I think, yes, let's keep y here. Let's make y the subject, because that's much easier. So -3x -6 plus 13, and y equals to -3x and plus 7. A part is done. And in the B part, the quadratic curve C passes through P and has a minimum point at Q. Okay, and find an equation for C. They are asking us to write down the equation of a curve. So this is a parabola, it's a quadratic equation. So equation of a curve, we always write in form of y equals to a, where a is a coefficient, into something here, and then something x minus, and then x minus something, a number here. But they said Q is a minimum point. Okay, so Q is a minimum point having the coordinate 4 and -5. So it's a turning point, and if I have a turning point, then it's quite easy for me to use completing square formula. And completing square formula is a into x minus b whole square plus c. Okay, let me write down lowercase in lowercase. Okay, so a, I don't know, x minus b, so x minus, because this is 4, so this will be -4, and c is -5, so let's write c is -5. Okay, so this is done. This is the quadratic equation, but still I need to find out what is a. Okay, I know that there is a point P that passes through the curve. Okay, so I can use this point to get to know what is A. So if this is y and this is x, so replace y with 13 equals to A into x is -2. So x is -2, -4, and 5. So this is -6, and -6 squared is 36a minus 5 equals to 13. So this would be 36a equals to 13 plus 5, and a equals to 18 over 36, and a equals to half. Okay, so the quadratic equation in this case will be y equals to 1 over 2 x minus 4 whole squared minus 5. Okay, you can expand this bracket and solve it as you wish. I'm leaving it here. Use okay, next part. This is the B part. Let me label this question. This is the B part of a question. This is A. Okay, now it's time to move on to C part. Use inequalities to define the region R. Okay, so the region R is this shaded one, and this region is shaded above the curve, and this is above the curve. No, this region is shaded above the line. Yes, because L is a line and that comes first. This region is shaded above the line and below the curve. And plus this region is like if point X point is, let's say X point is here. Okay, so this is X, that is -2. So if this is X equals to -2, so it's not beyond that. Okay, so let's write down the inequality. So C part of this question is equation of a straight line is y equals to -3x plus 7. So the shaded region is above the line. So this would be y is greater than equals to -3x plus 7. And below the curve, and curve is less than equals to, y is less than equals to 1 over 2 x minus 4 whole squared minus 5. And I have point here, x is -2, so the region is shaded below it, so that is less than equals to -2. This was the question number 4 from paper January 2021, Pearson Edexcel, Pure Mathematics P1. I hope you found this solution helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AY's Maths channel. You can find the videos for the remaining questions from this paper in the playlist. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.